Hi everybody! Recommend you for the usage of Vern Styling Scissors 6E. Start with combining Vern Texturizing Scissors 6EB with 6EE. Cut the length by texturizing to cut. 6EB and 6EE. Texturizing to cut. Create supernatural hair ends. This cutting way is easy, simple and quick. I still use texturizing to cut at the fringe to finish this hairstyle. Next, combine cutting scissors 6E with styling scissors 6E. Cut the length by scissors over comb. (6E) horizontal cut and texturizing to cut. Cut the length and create exclusive effects. Cut the length at the fringe by using texturizing to cut. On the top section, trim the hair ends and finish this haircut. If you like this video, don't hesitate to click like it. More haircut video clips on YouTube. Welcome to subscribe. Click the bell next to the subscribe button to get the notifications of latest videos.